Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to replace the air filter on your refrigerator. The model number on this one would be on the side, on my particular one, and it goes right here, as you can tell. So what you want to do? This is a brand new refrigerator. It didn't come with one, so you just slide it out as so. Now I got these on eBay. On Frigidair's website, they wanted about $9 just for one. I went on eBay, purchased this from a third seller, and I got 6 of them, made by Frigidaire, for $11.58. So that's 6 months worth of air filters compared to what they want on their own website. So what we're going to do, open it. And how I was able to find this, because Frigidair's website is not really user-friendly to finding out part numbers or nothing. So I just went by this, typed it in, and these filters came out. And these are the Frigidaire brand, made by Frigidaire. It's not no Chinese knockoff, nothing like that. So the filter goes right here. So we're gonna open this, take it out. I believe you slide it in. Does it say which way? I believe it goes in this way. So now we're gonna go to the refrigerator and slide it in as so. Alright, so I'm gonna open this so I can demonstrate. So basically, I'm gonna push the air filter and freezer temp at the same time. So press and hold. All right, and now it's reset it.